there's a unique difference between feeling like you're a part of something or just feeling like you're attached to it because you work for them, right? So when you feel like you're included in it, that makes you excited to do what you do and bring others in to do it with you. Here at Tyto, that's how it's been for me.
Doing what I do, where you can harness innovation to drive better mission outcomes, the lives that it saves, the lives that it helps, and frankly, the lives that it protects, I live for doing that.
A lot of the stuff that we do, we can't talk about. When you see that out in the media, it's just that knowing that, hey, that was our company, that's rewarding.
What makes Tyto Athene different and better really starts with our people. A solution that may have been just fine yesterday may not meet the threats of tomorrow. And our people are always thinking about that. You know, many of us could be doing anything, but as a veteran, I'm really passionate about the mission of securing our nation.
Being a retired Army officer, after 24 years, I decided I still wanted to serve my country. Although you're not wearing a uniform, you're still contributing to the national security of our country.
Veterans are huge for us, right? We are a big proponent of the Skill Bridge internship program. Those are transitioning military that will come into our business, learn the other side of the house, and quite often we're able to hire those individuals for one of our projects.
Here at Tyto, we've established an innovation arm that has allowed our employees to voice, hey, this is what I'm seeing on the ground. This is my ideas in terms of how we solve those problems.
Collaboration is key here at Tyto Athene to create the best solution. I'm a big believer in hiring people that are smarter than you in areas that you may not be as smart in, to bring their expertise into the conversation, and then I think that's where really great ideas come from.
In the military, I was 6 people removed from the commanding general. In this organization, I'm one person from the CEO. The flatter your organization, the more you can get done quickly. So when we talk about data dominance, Tyto is living that in its organizational structure.
If you want to go fast, and you want to be part of a dynamic culture that's actually making mission impact on a daily basis, Tyto Athene is a great place for you.
We can make a difference and we can continue to grow. You may start your career here in Ruston, Virginia, but you may have exposure to opportunities all around the United States.
We're happy to help people move around and grow. If you're doing a new thing and you say, you know what, I want to tip into this side over here, sure, let's see what we can find for you and we'll help you get there. We're all unified here at Tyto, despite the different work that we perform, whether it's in the cybersecurity space, the IT space, or corporate operations team, we're all one.
It's a really exciting time to be here at Tyto Athene. We're bringing in new capabilities, we're bringing in new people. So if you're here at Tyto today, stand by, it's going to be a good ride.